So now we're going to make a different array. We're going to make a row of 2 tiles. 1, 2. And now we're going to make another row of 2 tiles. So now we have an array that we would call a 2 by 2 array. And we know 2 times 2 equals, get ready, 4. And we can check that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now we're going to go ahead and do that over here. Do a row of 2 tiles. We'll do another row of 2 tiles. And let's just go ahead and do another row of 2 tiles. Don't worry about the different colors right now. So this would be an array of, this would be an array of 2 by 3. So that we have 1, 2 by 1, 2, 3. So 2 by 3 equals, get ready, 6. Good. And we can always check by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this way is much faster.